Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm back to tell you what we got done today. I did put in that first on the left, that is base pages, and then I think I have one page in there. I don't know if it's a base page or just a kit that I have right in the front. It's got Alex in there, so I think I had a plan for it, but that's as far as I got with it. And then I have page kits I made, so they're in the second one. And then these are some chipboard frames that I got at Tuesday morning, before they closed. And then and these things here never really had a place, so now they do have a place. And there's not quite enough of them to fill up the space, so I had to use those little holders that Totally Tiffany had talked about them, and she got them on Amazon, and that's where I picked them up. And I've had those for a while, but then it's like I got to where I didn't need them in my old Kallax unit, so I hadn't used them for a while. They actually were in a box. So then I have actually my creative memory pages for my books, and then I have some chippies here. And so that's all I've actually got done. I stuck the ink there, but that's not where it's going to stay because I can't see it. It's the wrong way. Okay. And then we got the desk put together, and the guy on the video did it in 23 minutes. It took us all day. And I got this desk because I think it's called Mittzon. I'm not sure. Oh, and I've got a trash can here beside me. We filled up all the trash cans, so until next week, I guess we're gonna have stuck in the garage. But this is it's called an up and down desk, and it's got this little lever on it, and you push it up, and like about here it's to my elbow, so it's like I'll probably have it down lower than this, but I usually stand when I'm putting my scrapbook pages together, and then after that, it's like I sit down to do the video, so I figured I had to have that capability, bringing it into this room. And it's quite large. I think it's 63 inches. I forget how wide it is. Let me see, I can measure it. Here, I'll give you that great view. It is close to the same size as the island. Okay, it's 31.5 inches wide and 63 long. I forgot to buy the little thing for the plug-in, so like a what do they call them? Like a well, it's like a electrical strip where you just can plug them in right here. I thought I got everything, but I guess not, because I didn't have that. But the legs go up and down. They're fantastic. And let me show you what I did get moved. And I got the chair. I got all the parts laid out, so some of them are there, and then the big wicker part of the chair is still in the other room. But I did get this emptied, and that's what I had the page kits in. And I did have another container that was actually underneath the counter area, so I got that emptied. So, and these never had a place. They were just sitting in a pile on the floor underneath the counter space too. So these things here never had a place. So they do have a place now. And I'm hoping to, tomorrow we have church. When you're watching this will be, maybe you'll be at church too, but I'll actually post this for Sunday, and we'll be at church, and I do have to make, I sold, I don't remember if I said this, but I sold an order of attorney and law themed jewelry to the, what is it called? Supreme Court Justice Museum in Washington, D.C. And so it's like I mailed them some things over the last year and a half or so, and she posted or placed another order today, so I'll be making that Sunday, but I still hope to get the chair put together. So I do have to make that though, and so I might go work on that a little bit now. I don't know, it's getting quite late. It's probably 8 o'clock. So I'm not sure. But, oh, and, you know, I think I put that stuff up there yesterday too. But I'm happy to have some stuff in there. And, you know, just excited about, you know, it's like I'm going to be able to get this out of here eventually. This whole rack. Because everything that's in a basket now will go in a basket at the bottom. So that's great, because like I keep my Minte in here, my Minte fussy cut pieces, and I also, they've overlapped into that now. And, oh, the other thing I wanted to tell you, I'm going to move you around again. Here, it's like I work from left to right, so everything starts here, and I start with Minte, and I put it in here alphabetically. And so I have it leaned this way. But now that I'm going over to the other spot, let me walk over there. I think that's going to be, you know, the left. So that's where I would normally start everything, alphabetical. But I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I'm going to have to start here, because this is where I walk into the room. That's up against the wall. So I think I might start, you know, what is it? Like baby, birthday. I think I might start that here. It's hard for me to hold the camera up straight. So I think I might start here and work my way just the opposite of the way that I'm used to. But, just because even if I start at the other end, I think it needs to be facing this way, because otherwise I'm going to be, you know, I kind of flip through things, you know, like this. And if it's over in the corner, I'll be like laying against the wall just to see what's in there. So I think that's going to be the hardest part for me, because I think I'm going to have to just do that. So everything in my other cubicle, I'm just going to have to bring it over here and put it in the opposite way of what I have it. So, I don't know. Tell me if you had to do that when you rearranged your room. But I'm pretty excited about all that we've got done. I mean, the desk maybe was the most trying, because some things just were hard to understand from pictures only. But I love it. I think it's great. I love that it goes up and down. And this will go so low that it's like me and the kids could be around it. So that's really nice. Okay, so that's it for today's update on the big changes in the little scrapbook room. And I've already started getting stuff out of the other room, out of the guest room, which, you know, I have to have done at least within a month because my sister's coming. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And if we get something done tomorrow, I will give you another update. Bye-bye.